Alright, let's begin with the video. We're trying to do some Tom's Tangent voices that no one needs or wants, but if someone's out there looking for someone to do a voice for an engine, well, these are the ones I'm doing right now, so. Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm the number 1 of the Northwestern Railway. I have 2 coaches, Annie and Clarabelle, and I have my own branch line, the Farquhar branch line, the most important part of the railway. Hello, lad. My name is Edward. I am a Furnace Railway K2 locomotive. Hello there. My name is Henry. I was originally an experimental design based from Sir Nigel Gresley's newly formed A1 class and a C1 Atlantic. I was later built into an LMS Black 5. Ho. Hello. My name is Gordon, and I am an experimental GNR A0. I came from the busy crowds in London. Oh yes, London. I was there, young and green, but forget about that. I am the number 4 of the Northwestern Railway, and one of the fastest engines on the Northwestern Railway as well. Hello there, I'm James. I am the Northwestern Railway's number 5. Hello, my name is Percy. I'm the number 6 of the Northwestern Railway. My 2 best friends are Thomas and Toby. I usually am one of the shunters, but I also pull passenger trains and goods trains from here and there. Hello, my name is Toby. I'm the number 7 on the Northwestern Railway, and just like Thomas and Percy, I also do work on the Farquhar branch line. Hi. The name's Eagle. Well, I work on the Northwestern Railway as well. Well, I guess you already know that. Well, I'm brothers with James the Red Engine, and we're both the same design. Well, of course, because we're brothers, but also the same kind of experimental engine. Instead of our brothers, we have a 260 arrangement, while they have an 060 arrangement. I don't really have any time for interviews. But if you must know, I'm Craven. Deep in disgrace. Working on the Northwestern Railway was a dreadful experience, and I don't want to talk about it anymore.